The city was perfectly planned. Straight streets, advanced drainage, brick houses aligned with precision. 5,000 years ago, this place was more organized than many modern cities. And then, it ended. Not with fire, not with war, not with screams recorded in history. It simply stopped. This was Mohenjo-daro, one of the greatest cities of the ancient world. At its height, thousands of people lived here. Merchants traded goods, children played in courtyards, water flowed through underground drains with engineering far ahead of its time. Everything suggested stability. Everything suggested control, but something went terribly wrong. Imagine waking up one morning in this city. The sun rises over the Indus River. The air is warm. Life feels normal. People step outside their homes, unaware that this day will be different. Very different. There are no signs of invasion, no enemy banners, no weapons clashing. Yet, by the end of history, this city will be empty. Archaeologists would later find something disturbing. Bodies, not buried, not honored, just lying where they fell. In streets, in homes, near wells. People who didn't run, people who didn't fight, people who seemed surprised. There were no mass graves, no defensive walls breached, no weapons scattered across the city. It looked as if life simply stopped mid-sentence. So what happened? Mohenjo-daro belonged to the Indus Valley civilization, one of the world's earliest and most advanced societies. They had sanitation systems, standardized bricks, and city planning unmatched for thousands of years. Yet, they left behind no clear records explaining their end. No dramatic story, no final warning, just silence. Some believe a natural disaster struck. Perhaps massive floods from the Indus River overwhelmed the city again and again. Each time people rebuilt, until one flood was too much, too destructive, too final. Others suggest climate change. The river may have shifted its course, rain patterns changed, crops failed, water disappeared. Slowly, life became impossible. But this doesn't explain the bodies. Why didn't people leave? Another theory is more unsettling. Some researchers believe a sudden catastrophic event occurred, something fast, unexpected, and deadly. Skeletons show signs of intense heat. Some stones appear fused as if exposed to extreme temperatures. Not fire, something stronger. This led to wild speculation, from meteors to explosions, though no theory has ever been proven. What makes Mohenjo-daro truly haunting is not just how it ended, but how advanced it was before it fell. There is no evidence of kings or armies, no grand palaces, no monuments celebrating power. This society may have been peaceful, cooperative, and balanced, and yet it vanished. Unlike Rome, it didn't collapse slowly. Unlike Pompeii, it wasn't frozen in a single moment of terror. It faded, leaving behind unanswered questions and broken streets. Imagine the last people of Mohenjo-daro. Did they feel something was wrong? Did they sense danger approaching? Or did life end before fear had time to form? We don't know. And that's what makes this story so disturbing. Civilizations usually fall loudly, with wars, revolutions, destruction. Mohenjo-daro fell quietly, as if history itself looked away. Today, the ruins lie under the sun, silent and still. Tourists walk the same streets where ancient footsteps once echoed. No voices remain to tell the final story. Only bricks, only bones, only questions. Mohenjo-daro reminds us of something uncomfortable, that intelligence does not guarantee survival, that planning does not ensure control, that even the most advanced societies can disappear without explanation. One day, everything works. The next, it's gone. No warning, no record, no goodbye. If stories of lost civilizations, ancient mysteries, and forgotten human endings pull you in, subscribe to the channel. Because history isn't always written by survivors. Sometimes it's written by silence.